Hello everyone, welcome to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can delete an event on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook, then tap on these three lines on the top right side of your screen. Then after go to events. Now if you have created an event, you will see this your events section. Tap on see all on the right side of your events. Then there will be the events that you have created. I created a random event. Tap on that particular event that you want to delete. After you open the event, tap on manage. Then after go to edit. Now in the edit section, you will find the delete option on the bottom right side. Tap on that delete option. Then after confirm it by tapping on cancel and delete event details. Then tap on cancel event. As you do that, the event that you previously created will be deleted. As you can see, there is no indication of the event that I previously created. So in this way, you can easily delete an event on Facebook. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.